Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you quick demonstration related to WhatsApp new features, and that feature name is disappearing messages for the some particular time and dates. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now I open my WhatsApp application. Same process you can use in your smartphone device. And so this is my WhatsApp profile, and that one is a profile, and here some I'm chatting with some friends. So here one contact is come, Pradeep Zadav, and just I click there his profile, and here one options are come disappearing message. This is a new update of WhatsApp 2020. So I click here, so I on and then turn on this setting will be make new message disappear from the chat after 7 days. I'm on this chat, so automatically after 7 days rest of chat is deleted automatically. So this is the features of WhatsApp application. You can chat with someone, and after 7 days all text messages is automatic deleted. So that features is available on any profile. Like suppose I'm clicking this profile, and here, so here this options are come, and you can put it here not all member at a time, but individually you can on disappearing message with this particular chat. You can chat someone special and you want delete those messages in particular time period, so you can on this disappearing messages facility in this WhatsApp application. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.